Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to build this simple ladder shelf. You can see the cut list on the screen. Pause the video if you need more time. All dimensions and step-by-step instructions are also shown in the video. We'll use standard boards from a hardware store and basic screws. If you want a printable version, check the link in the pinned comment. It includes a PDF guide and a 3D model in SketchUp. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please share it. See you in the next one.